Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the brake calipers on a Honda Civic. It's held on with one bolt right here on the back side of the caliper, and that's a 12 millimeter, and then it's on a guide pin that just slides right here. So once you take that bolt out, the whole caliper assembly can spin up and slide right off. Show you how to do it. And this is the driver's side, and this is on a Honda Civic. Let me get that bolt loose and I'll show you what I mean. Alright guys, now we got that bolt loose. As you can see, the caliper just lifts up and it pivots on that guide pin, like I said. And then it just slides right off. And that's how you remove the caliper so you can do the brake pads on a Honda Civic. If y'all found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Y'all have a great day.